Good morning. Good morning, YouTube. It's early. It's really not that early, actually. It's only about 7:30. The sun is coming up right now, as you guys can see. And, yeah, we're just gonna take the boat out, you know? It's been pretty chilly lately. We're getting some high 40s, low 50s in the nighttime. But today is gonna be a little bit warmer than it has in the past, like, week or two. We're gonna get up to about 80 degrees today and then, like, 83 tomorrow. So, nice weekend. Yeah, so just a little bit of Saturday morning fishing. It's only going to be me on the boat today, so have a lot more space and stuff and room, and probably set the tripod up a little bit. But anyways, I'm going to turn the car around, get the boat all hitched up, and yeah, let's go do that, and I'll see y'all at the lake. Alright, last thing we gotta do here is just unplug the boat real fast. Everything's wet.
I hate this tripod, man. It's so bad. I need a new one. Anyways, this is the most important thing I'm gonna do all day. Put the damn plug in the boat.
I'm gonna go get some breakfast and then we're gonna put the boat on the hitch.
Dude, look how fat that freaking fish is, bro. All right. Oh man, we're so shallow. All right, folks, let's check the time here. It's 9:15 start time, which is perfect. We got our live well filled up right here. Let's get a, we're gonna do an angler trip today. If you guys don't know what an angler is, it is a sweet app where you can track your progress, your fishing progress. As you guys can see, I've already marked some fish catches here before. And basically it just takes a bunch of data. Got this little button here that I just clip onto my GoPro. I've made a video about it before, and it just kind of helps you keep progress, tracks a lot of data. You can use that data to go help yourself catch fish. So now I already know a couple spots that I'm gonna hit up, and yeah, uses GPS signaling, super easy to use. So I say we get out there and we go catch some. So let's start a trip. We're just gonna do this, literally. Just gonna enter a trip name. We're just gonna call it Pemberton Conventional, and we are using the motor, and my bullseye is already ready. Start trip. It's gonna track where I go, and the fish just jumped out there. Well, if I'm already seeing fish jump out there, then my brain's saying maybe not a square bill. I don't know how deep they are yet. It is the morning, so maybe a little bit higher in the water column. So we're gonna start out with a paddle tail swim bait on an underspin here. So I'll give this a shot, see how this works. The water here is pretty muddy, a little bit muddier than usual at least. So yeah, first cast. Let's get this day started, huh? Oh, the sun, dude. The sun's out. This water's like freaking green right now, man. It's nasty. Jeez, no visibility. Oh my God, no, I had one. Dude, wait, I think I just had one. Hold on, y'all. Is that actually a fish? Great, now I'm caught again. Oh, that one came off. Hold on, dude. I thought I had one up in there. I mean, like I can drag my jig over this thing. Right there, that's where it was. And it shot off to the side. And I'm not hitting like anything right there. Yeah, black blue flake. This is super simple. This is only a 3.3, so it's a little bit smaller. Just gonna cut the head off just like that, and going to, oh my gosh, damn rods. Let's take this jig. This is a half ounce flipping jig by Goobin Squad also. And there you go. Here's your trailer. Got your appendages hanging out. And this is this may get us some more bites. It's gonna be a little bit of a smaller, I'm actually gonna take the top two off. This is a little bit of a smaller profile compared to that other crawl I was, you know, throwing. Fish. Yes. No, he came off. Damn it. Oh my god, why is my drag so damn loose? Don't know how I got so loose. I checked it earlier. Dude, it's freaking almost 11 o'clock, man. I'm here for almost 2 hours. Finally get 2 bites within like 10 minutes. This bite's gotta be turning on now, man. It better be. Alright folks, I think we're gonna have a friend come join us in a second here. Oh man, maybe we can get a fish before he pulls up. Man, bro, how did we go from getting 3 bites on that stretch back there to now just nothing? It's just been silent for the last 20 minutes again. We had 3 bites in 20 minutes and then nothing in 20 minutes. And I'm doing the same exact thing as I've been doing. I was not recording, guys. I'm just swimming this jig in the middle of the freaking lake, and this guy just comes up and demolishes it, and it figures I wasn't recording. Dude, man, these fish are so pale and huge. It's a nice little bass to start off today. Oh, it only took 3 hours. 3 hours to get our first fish in the boat. Luke should be here about any minute. Let's mark that on the Angler app. Open this up. Here we go. Let's go get Luke. Just caught our first one of the day. What's up, dude? How you doing, bro? Alright. You can just hop on, Chief. Let's hope we get one. Good one, good one, good one. Solid. Yo, can you grab the net, actually? It's right here, yeah. Feels pretty decent. Oh my god, dude, it's big, it's big. Oh, never mind, it's not huge, but... Oh, dude, that's solid. Yo, it's like... Dude, that's like a 3-pounder.
Yeah, that's nice.
Bro, that is big. Look how fat that freaking fish is, bro. Holy... Whoa, yes, sir. Damn. Oh my god. Just came out. Yeah, let's get a weight on this beauty. Bro, look at that fish, dude. That's fat as hell.
That's probably like 3.4.
I'd say between 2.5 and 3. Alright, boys. Got ourselves a nice, probably 2.5 pounder. Between that and 3. It's fat as hell. Got him on the underspin. We're gonna get the scale out real quick. Let's put it in the live well. Let her get some water. Alright, look at this. It's beautiful. Come on. You better work this time, man. If it doesn't, I'll just use Ryan's scale.
I got a scale.
Oh, you did too? Alright, perfect. Oh, it's working. Let's go. Yeah, 291. 291. There you go. Lock that 291. Sweet, man. Almost a 3-pounder. Biggest one of today. Just literally out here in the open water. We're getting a nice solid breeze coming through. And yeah, just hit her with the underspin. Sweet, dude. Let's go. Shout out to Luke for filming. Alright, let's get her back in the water. There she goes. Thank you, bro. All right. Oh yeah. Oh damn, bro.
Oh my god.
It's a giant. Dude. Oh my god. 10-pounder. State record, bro. State record. I got something though. That's good. Oh. Yo, I didn't even notice that. Jeez. A little deep, but you can give it a shot. Is that a fish? I think it's a fish. Yeah, dude, I got one. Let's go. Oh, dude, he's barely hooked. Barely hooked. Oh. Bro, chief. Thank you. Sweet. That's why I came over back here, dude. 'Cause this is where I caught that other fish. I have a feeling there's a bunch of them over here.
Yeah.
Nice. On the lipless. Not a terrible one. About a pound. Second biggest of the day, I guess. It's kind of sad, but not a terrible. Not a terrible fish. There he goes. Sweet. Oh, gone.